Action! Got this lower control arm installed. This one's a new one. I didn't film any of that because there's no way to get my camera down here. If it's on the tripod, I can't really get it down here. So lower control arm is on now, just to continue following the procedure. I think once I start working up here, working on the top, that's when I'll start filming again. Plus, I don't think you want to look at my feet for 30 minutes just dangling outside the car. Since I don't have a funnel that can actually do this, we have to do this. This is essentially siphoning the transmission fluid into the transmission. This is going to take a while. I just got the car mostly back together. I still don't have the wheels on, but I had a transmission error. It was a K1 or K2, I can't remember. Anyway, it was a clutch actuator that wasn't working, and I was like, crap, if I have to take the transmission out again, I'm gonna be upset. But I turned the car off, turned it into the on position, reset the codes, and turned it off, turned it on again, and all the codes were gone. I shifted into reverse, it went in reverse. I think we're good. But now I've got to get the axle nuts tightened and get the wheels on, and it should be all finished up. Oh, and the battery. And the battery hold down. I still have to put in. Let's get to it. Maiden voyage going well so far. Everything seems to be working good. Everything seems to be completely fine, no error lights. Oh yeah. Just got a little pick up and go. Alright, now we're going to quick erase. BCM. Probably no fault codes. Radio. Probably no fault codes. HVAC. I'm not sure about that one. And power steering. We have 0 faults on this whole car. Nothing at all. Very nice. Very cool. Sweet. Number 1 and number 2.